I want to welcome everybody to Etherio Connect 2025.
It's my first Connect, so I'm really excited meeting a bunch of new people from all over
and get jazzed and excited about the next coming year.
This is my first time attending. I'm excited to meet all the new third-party people, understand more about their event, and just meet new people.
I really enjoyed the keynote speaker. She talked about change, enthusiasm. I appreciated the takeaways. I really did. I appreciated being able to take a step back, to take a beat.
When you make a commitment to growing just 5% every day, your light shines just a little bit brighter.
The trade show has just opened. We're glad to be here. Already had some great conversations.
Last night's event at Flourish was wonderful. It's great to connect with sponsors that we don't get to see all the time.
And, learn a little bit more about what goes on the other side of the business was absolutely fantastic.
Watching all my colleagues with the puppies, whoever sponsored that, they did a hell of a job.
Oh my gosh, so many reasons to be excited to be here at Connect, and it's really just building important relationships and seeing where that can take us.
These sessions have been really practical and helpful, and it's just been amazing to get here and really meet everybody face to face.
All the sessions are awesome, definitely learning new things about AI, public speaking, which I actually just took a session on.
I'm excited to see what's more from Etherio.
Getting everyone together here in Atlanta and really getting that energy, meeting people for the first time that you've maybe been on a lot of calls with, but so critical in what we do because we're a human capital company.
To be able to put the faces with the names, to be able to make connections with team members that you don't get a chance to work with on a regular basis, and to be able to just spend time hanging out. I love it.
Being here is the best. We get to spend time together. We get to inspire each other. We get to eat great food. We get to hang out.
Most of all, though, it's just so gratifying to see the joy, the happiness on everyone's faces as everyone's sharing those experiences.
This is a celebration. We're doing business, and we're talking about our business. We're doing breakouts in education, this and that. But at the end of the day, this is a celebration and a thank you to every single one of our team members.